Hey, this is Bharat, currently doing my final year of engineering in electrical engineering. Previously I went to many visits with our college mates. I mean, I've been to two companies called one is Vizag Steel Plant and another is DRDO. So I went it with my college mates and a faculty member accompanied us. So they showed me what all happens, and I really couldn't relate it to any of the things which I'm like totally seeing in the company. So so I didn't find it very interesting. So even going with the industrial with Acumen, I was being very skeptical and very choosy kind of a thing. I mean, I was not really convinced that an industrial visit can be so good. I went to Roshni's Microsystems with Acumen, so I really loved it. By the look of it, it's a very small company, but the amount you should see. I mean, what they manufacture. They manufacture like beautiful PCBs, and they manufacture it for really big firms at really cheap cost. And how they did it, we interacted with an employee there. He's an engineer. What they did was they actually import double-sided copper plates or single-sided copper plates, which usually PCB companies import. And they do whatever. For example, if you want to manufacture a motherboard for your computer, give them the design, they'll do it. The moment we stepped in Rashi's Microsystem, this guy was like explaining like what is happening in this process and how does it go and what is the main reason behind doing this process. And he was asking regularly, do you have any doubts? Please ask, please ask. So no one does it. I mean, see, whatever you pay, this guy is taking his time out from the working of the production line and coming and explaining our doubts. They showed us how do they buy raw material, how do they cut them, how do they dot them, how do they imprint the circuit on it, how they process it with UV radiation, and how they manufacture it. And the best part is they take good care of their employees. I mean, the processing involves a lot of ammonia. The processing of PCBs, what I mean to say is, it requires a lot of ammonia. So they give them jaggery and banana to each and every employee so that it helps them digest the ammonia they inhale. And it was really a good experience. I mean, never in my life I had imagined that an industrial visit would go this smoothly and this I would like gain such vast knowledge from it. Thank you, Acumen, for giving us this opportunity. Thank you.